Hello students, today we will solve exercise 4.4 question number 1 which is based on nature of roots. Let's see what is nature of roots. Student, the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 are given by x equal minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This one is the quadratic formula, and with the help of this formula we can easily find the roots of the given quadratic equation. Nature of roots depends upon the square root of b square minus 4ac. There are few conditions, student. Let's see. Case 1. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, it means the value of b square minus 4ac is positive. In that case, we get two distinct real roots, and that roots are minus b upon 2a plus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a and minus b upon 2a minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Case 2. If b square minus 4ac equals to 0, then we get two equal real roots, because in both the cases we will get the square root value as 0. So the roots will be x equal minus b upon 2a plus minus 0 or x equal minus b upon 2a minus b upon 2a. It means in both conditions we will get the equal roots. Case 3. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, it means the value of b square minus 4ac is negative. In this case, we get no real roots, because there is no real numbers whose square is b square minus 4ac. So in this case, we cannot find any real roots. Since as you seen here, student, b square minus 4ac determines whether the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 has real roots or not. So b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant of this quadratic equation. So the formula of discriminant is d equal b square minus 4ac. So student, a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 has two distinct real roots. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, it means positive value. Two equal real roots if b square minus 4ac equals to 0, and no real roots if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, it means negative. Now with the help of these three conditions, we will solve exercise 4.4. And question number 1 is, find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. If the real roots exist, find them. And first question is 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equals 0. Let's start the solution. First, we will compare this given quadratic equation with standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Here you can see here, student, the value of a. It means coefficient of x square is 2, a equals to 2, b equals to minus 3 and c equals to 5. Now we will find d. D it means discriminant, b square minus 4ac. In place of b, we will substitute minus 3 whole square minus 4 into, in place of a, we will substitute 2, in place of c, we will substitute 5. And after simplification, we will get 9 minus 40, which is equal to minus 31, which is less than 0. Here, the value of d, it means b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So, the given equation has no real roots. Second question is 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equals 0. Again, we will compare this equation with standard form of the quadratic equation, and we will get a equal 3, b equal minus 4 root 3 and c equal 4. Again, we will find d, b square minus 4ac equal minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 4. And after simplification, we will get 48 minus 48, which is equal to 0. So here the value of d, it means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So the given equation has two equal real roots. Now we will find this real equal roots by using quadratic formula. And quadratic formula is x equal minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. And we can replace this b square minus 4ac by d. And we already find the value of d is 0 for this question. So we will get x equal minus b plus minus square root of 0 upon 2a. And we know square root of 0 will be 0. So x equal minus b plus minus 0 upon 2a. First we will take plus sign, then we will get x equal minus b plus 0 upon 2a. Now we will substitute the value of b here. X equal minus within bracket minus 4 root 3 plus 0 upon 2 into 3. And after simplification we will get x equal 4 root 3 upon 6. And when we cancel out this, we will get x equal 2 root 3 upon 3. Now we will take minus sign, x equal minus b minus 0 upon 2a, and again we will substitute the values of b and a, and we will get the same value 2 root 3 upon 3. So the roots are 2 root 3 upon 3 and 2 root 3 upon 3, equal roots. Third question is 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equals 0. Let's start the solution. Here the value of a is 2, the value of b is minus 6, and the value of c is 3. Now again we will find the value of d, b square minus 4ac equal minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3. We will get 36 minus 24, which is equal to 12, and 12 is greater than 0. It means positive value. So here d is greater than 0. The given equation have two real distinct roots. Now we will get two real distinct. It means different roots. Again we will apply the same formula. X equal minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. We can write it as minus b plus minus square root d upon 2a. Now we will substitute the values. And after simplification we will get 6 plus minus 2 root 3 upon 4. As you can see here student, from numerator we can take 2 as common. X equal 2 within bracket 3 plus minus root 3 upon 4. Now we will cancel this. We will get x equal 3 plus minus root 3 upon 2. Now first we will take plus x equal 3 plus root 3 upon 3. And when we will take minus, we will get x equal 3 minus root 3 upon 3. So these are the two roots of this given equations. Thank you students. Tomorrow we will solve question number 2.